Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw an equilateral triangle. So when we talk about an equilateral triangle, that means a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. So if you have a triangle like this, so let's call this point A, B and then point C. So all the sides, if it's 5 centimeter, they are going to be 5 centimeter all through. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this course of this video. So before we get into this video, if you are new to PA Academy, you are new to this channel, or you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please take out time to click on the subscribe button below. It's actually free to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button so that you get note and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and let me know in the comment section below if you have just subscribed to this video. Alright, so to start with, in this particular video you are going to be working with a triangle of 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is same as 100 millimeter, depending on the unit you are familiar with. So now what we are going to do first is to draw one of the side, which is 10 centimeter. So you bring in your ruler, so 10 centimeter. So I already have it to be 10 centimeter from this point. So let me call this point A and let me call this point B. So now we already have one of the sides. So the next thing is to draw the other two sides. Now you bring in your compass. On your compass you measure the 10 centimeter. So irrespective of the length you are working with is the same step. So now I already have my 10 centimeter. I'll place it on point B. And then I draw an arc. So you draw it with a faint line with the same length of 10 centimeter, which is the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. You draw another arc and then you note their point of intersection. So right here is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and then what do? You join it to B. So if I should join the point of intersection to point B, and then I join it to point A. So now with this, now we already have our equilateral triangle. Let's call this point C. So let's confirm. So if you look at it here, we're having our 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. So it's a very simple process. This is how you go ahead to draw an equilateral triangle. So let's indicate the length of the side. So this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and then 10 centimeter. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to still subscribe to PA Academy, please, it's absolutely free. Please subscribe to this channel to help this channel to grow. It's absolutely free on your own part. And then you can also check out our website paacademy.co, paacademy.co. Also check out our playlist on technical and engineering drawing. There are a lot of hundreds of videos there that I believe will be of help to you. So with that guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.